Good afternoon, everyone. So I am glad to invite you all for the great occasion, a live interactive session with Infinity PMC Solutions Private Limited. So today, webinar on commercial building estimation with PlanSwift. Some general instructions for the webinar: turn off audio and video to save bandwidth. Drop your queries in chat and it will be addressed in Q&A session at end of the webinar. Thanks for your great cooperation. With you, I would like to give my small intro. So myself, Dav Murugan, working as Assistant Manager Functional Services with Infinity PMC Solutions Private Limited. I'm having 15 plus years of experience in construction industry in the project management, cost management, and quantity surveyor domain. Also functional consulting and implementation. Handle Indian clients as well as international clients. Some of industry I have worked with product implementation, software training, functional support, and handle project implementation for different vertical of the construction industry such as residential, commercial, industrial, and infrastructure. So I have handled the software such as Arabic Costex, CAD, Revit, ARC, and 3ds Max, Primavera. Also expertise in pre and post tender and valuation and claims. Some of the clients I have worked with, so Lodha Group in Mumbai, Mandri Developers, Purvangara, Prestige, till Saudi Dar Al Majid Consulting Engineers. About today's agenda, I'm going to start with my company intro about Infinity PMC Solutions. Then how we can increase the efficiency of quantity takeoff using this PlanSwift. Also, on this day, today, Friday, so what is the in history in past years? Also, plan area of fiber glazed canopies. So I am going to share one of the case study for quantity takeoff. So in this linear measurement for Stair versus handrail, finding volume for AAC Block Masonry, auto counting for that furnished items, also IPMCS offering and solutions, and Q&A session. We, Infinity PMC Solutions Private Limited, we have combined experience of 20 plus years in completing the project and cost management solutions successfully. We're doing both project handling and training programs. We already completed more than 150 plus projects successfully in construction like EPC sector and infrastructure, oil and gas, and power plant sector. About 1,000 hours of experience in handling top corporates in different verticals, more than 200 batches trained by our certified trainers. We are partnered with world's topmost solution provider companies who they are well known with their results. Our technology partners, Construct Connect for PlanSwift, Oracle Primavera P6, F&D for Power Project, Bexel India Consulting for Bexel Manager. This slide represents that how IPMC is supporting the industry with our best solutions. So for planning and scheduling, we're providing planning and scheduling solutions using Oracle Primavera product. Also 4D BIM and risk management, we're providing project management solutions using Elocosoft Power Project for integration between BIM model with project schedule. When it comes to estimation part under 5D BIM, we provide quantity takeoff and estimation solutions using this PlanSwift. And for integrated 7D BIM solution, we're using Bexel Manager. we are going to have a poll here for participants who are requested to participate in this poll. So poll question is, quantity surveyor, what you are expecting from a dedicated estimation tool? Options: accuracy in quantity, easy review of work, time cut down, ready to use worksheet, all the above. So participant request to hold these questions. So thank you. So all are voted all the above only. Thank you. The takeoff challenge in our conventional estimation, facing all, mainly time and accuracy and cost only. We are going to say something about these categories. So performing takeoff the old way is extremely time consuming. Takeoff don't make money or just do. And accuracy, creating accuracy cost estimates or bid or tender is more critical than ever. Successful contractor builders and estimators must ensure their material takeoff are accurate or risk expensive correction or risk losing the job. Cost. So just printing, distributing and managing plants cost valuable time and money. So there is no integrated things also. So when we are doing our estimation part in this preliminary stage or in the detailed estimate stage, so there is no connectivity from our existing available documents, either drawing or your spreadsheet, Excel. PlanSwift. So this, paperless productivity, time is money. Now with PlanSwift, you don't need to drive across down to pick up plants, saving your time and money. You also have the honor of knowing you are helping the environment by saving trees and reducing waste. Let me tell you an interesting information happened about PlanSwift on this day and date. So today, 29th Friday. So in the year 2021, 11th June month, a fine Friday PlanSwift had released a new version which is 10.3. On this, more features are added such for batch scaling, notification icon, shape count, features, etc. Also, in the year of 2011, March 13th, Friday, PlanSwift team made a new initiative to start a blog post. This helps to do work from home without, in that pandemic situation. So they introduced that for 14 days trial period license also introduced to reach every quantity surveyor. On this date 29th in the year of March 2018, a new version released with enhanced features to improve the speed for quantity takeoff. Integrating with the Excel with unique activation by email communications. In the year of 2011, November 29th, on the highlighted feature was introduced, which is auto count option. So to quickly pick the number of countable items with some general speed improvements, it will helpful for that MEP sector. So that quantity surveys who are the going to do that countable items in like fitting items, sanitary items, pump and all. So you are saying it's one of the interface from PlanSwift software. So this PlanSwift manage project large and small with accurate and timely calculations, easily adjust cost projection, simply change product cost and recalculate. You can pick more jobs, you can tender you more jobs, you can participate as a contractor, manage more efficiently and grow your business with PlanSwift takeoff and estimating software. It's suited to a wide range of users, including estimators, quantity surveyors, builders, contractors, and subcontractors. So this one, advanced electronic quantity takeoff technology on screen. Here, you can connect your drawing file to your estimation layout in this particular PlanSwift. There is a collaborative platform. While you are doing your estimation with respect to your quantity part or your cost part, you can collaborate your drawing. Also, you can reduce your manual error. Nowadays, we are doing our quantification part in conventional methodology. We will refer some CAD drawing, then we will pick that some values in numbers. Then we are going to do that BOQ. So that manual error, more. So here in PlanSwift, there is a accuracy. Also, 40% of the time, that is cost effective. PlanSwift is compatible with all major digital blueprint formats, including drawing, AutoCAD file, PDF, as well as JPEG file. If you are in pre-tender stage, some quantity surveyor will get so many PDF format only. So that kind of time, you can utilize that PDF format for prepare your quantification part. Quantity takeoff by on-screen takeoff technology. With PlanSwift, there is no need for old-fashioned rulers and highlighters. Just point and click with your mouse to calculate square footage, linear footage, or item counts. PlanSwift can also calculate curves and cutouts and more. Your accuracy will be much greater, and it's easy to make sure you have done the takeoff correctly because if it is colored, it's counted. Here, some of the templates for you. So I can able to tell as a concrete works, masonry, flooring, electrical, HVAC, landscaping, openings, etc. This one not only for civil industry. So we will go with our oil and gas also. So as well as MEP sector. So that all the quantity surveyor they can able to do all kind of critical quantification with time limit. When you are going to use this inbuilt template, otherwise we can customize our template also as per our industrial needs. So I already told now that customizable template. Here you can customize your template for your quantification output. So each and every organization, like in L&D Tata, so they are having some specialized format for that quantification. So in that scenario, you can make that template as per your company needs. So some people need, once you took some quantification part, then you have to take multiple answers. You want to extract that multiple answer when you doing that particular quantity takeoff. So that kind of scenario, you can make your customized template here in any part. So you can add your cost also, your budgetary, your organization budgetary cost also, you can consider in this while doing this estimation part. So this all snapshot from PlanSwift only. Once you've done that quantification part, then you are going to make your report to your organization. By that time, in conventional method, we are using Excel. So make that BOQ, bill of quantity per format. Here, don't need to make that particular column organization. There is a inbuilt natural estimate layout. So here, there is already, once you done your quantification, there is already interconnect with your this kind of natural estimate layout. So from this, you can export your document as a report part. You can utilize this format for any kind of tender also. So from that estimation part, you can convert that part to a report. Either you can export that file to particular Excel or PDF, whatever format. We are going to have second poll here. So participants are requested to participate in this poll. So poll question is, in your experience, which of the following BOQ items takes the longest for quantity takeoff in library construction? So the options: canopy, stair, SS handrail, block masonry, furnitures, or others. So participants, please vote this poll. So maximum, that block masonry only. Got that. Okay, thank you. So today we are going to see our commercial project only. So what is the commercial project? So commercial project refer to construction or development endeavor that are intended for the commercial or business purposes. So some of the type here we listed for commercial project. So there is office building, retail centers, hotels and hospitality, restaurant, distribution center, facility center, medical and healthcare facility, educational facilities, till mixed use development. From this, I took one case study for going to demonstrate some quantity takeoff parts. So today, let's take some public library and bookstall construction. This one of the case study, I am going to demonstrate some four category of quantity takeoff. That one in area concept, then volume, and linear concept, and countable. Before this, I'm going to give some small intro for this particular case study. So this one, site plan. So roughly plot area approximately 13,000 square meter, type of building RCC only, frame structure. So number of floor, there is G+3. So in this case study, today we are going to do these kind of, quantity takeoff part, A, B, C, D. So one of the item in part A, fiber glazed canopies, AAC block masonry, SS handrail on stairs, furnished items, reading chairs. So this one is the plan view and this one is the section view. Later I will come with cost part, okay? This one, fiber glazed canopies. So in that entrance, that building entrance or main part, we will have this kind of canopies. So fiberglass is a composite material made from fine glass fibers and resins known for its strength, durability, and versatility. When used in canopies or awnings, it provides several benefits. So this, that outcome of the quantity in area, that means plan area. So this one not in vertical area, plan area only. So plan area means that all quantity survey will know length into width of the object. Okay. Let's be do with our PlanSwift for this particular configuration. Is share my PlanSwift screen. So this one, I already imported my case study drawings, which is library building. So here you can see I created some template. I already told now there is a template for your configuration purpose. Here we can develop our template. Otherwise, there is a inbuilt template also available. So I already got my template. I worked some configuration. So let us try that fiber glazed canopy area. I already told we are going to do that area measurement only, plan area. That means length and width. If it is, irregular shape, so that kind of scenario, you can go with this particular point mode option. Let me explain. So I have to choose this fiber glazed canopies area. So next in 2D plan view, I'm having that particular object. Not a square or rectangular. This one, some irregular. So you can do any kind of irregular shape also with this fine mode also. So you will get that particular quantity here. Also, you can continue. I am doing this right click and I am using this continue option and I am selecting my template. C enter. In my keyboard, I used for that close option C enter. So finally, I got that area of the canopy. So here you don't need to bifurcate what is the length and what is the width. So nobody will ask what is the length and what is the width. In normal way also we are doing like this now in conventional methodology. So here you got your area with any kind of irregular shape. So like this only we can develop our configuration for any kind of plan area part. This is one of the example for this particular case study. You can develop that area if you are going to do some flooring work, you can make that room, that all corner point you can connect with help of this find mode option. But you should develop this template or you can utilize that existing available template. That's the okay. Let's move to that volume concept. So today I am took for that AAC block masonry. Hope you know that AAC block. So autoclaved aerated concrete block. So masonry refers to the construction method in which AAC block are used as the primary building material for walls, external or internal. There is so many different standard sizes there. So what is the quantity output for this AAC block masonry? Today we are going to do by volume concept. So that volume means, length of the wall or width of the wall or height of the wall we have to do. So let we see in PlanSwift. These all, all external and internal wall having AAC block only. So for you, I'm going to do some individual wall. So should select the template first of all. So each and every item for that your quantification, you must develop your template first. From this template, you can start your quantification work. Let us take this wall, this pillar to pillar. I am tracing that area of the wall. But finally we need volume only now. So you trace that area of the wall. I already gave in this template by the default height is per floor 10 feet. So 10 feet means 3 meter. So once you created like this template, you can just track that particular object by area method. Once you trace that area of the any kind of object, now we trace the block masonry area. Then I multiply by the height of the wall. So now I got 7.3 cubic meter. So like this, you can do your volume concept, not only AAC block, that if it is concrete also, we will do by volume only. This much cubic meter like this. So area multiplied by height of the particular object. So you can trace n number of volume like this. You should select that template, that's all. You have to create that template as per your need. Otherwise, you can utilize that available template also. That's all. So when I going to click one by one, it will adding here. Move another concept. So there is a SS handrail on staircase area. So most of the time in normal quantity survey will do by, there is no weight basis. There is, standard height some 0.9 meter or 1 meter of the height. I'm telling here, 1 meter or 0.9 meter. So people are always do by linear measurement concept. So people will take that length of the handrail, length of the waist slab for this particular staircase. It's going to be in from ground floor to terrace. It's not an issue, but we need linear measurement. So finally, we will measure by running meter or running feet only, correct? So that one only we are going to see now in this PlanSwift. Let us take PlanSwift. So any stairs. Here I will tell this is the template. You can type the handrail part. This one the stair. So for this particular ground floor level, I am taking the length of the handrail part. Roughly I got 5.9 running meters. So like this, you know that linear measurement concept, you can develop n number of quantification. So if it is any room, you can take in civil engineering category. So there is a book launch and poetry reading. There is a skirting work, in tile skirting work. Simply you can trace that length of the wall. That's all. Same like this kind of handrail measurement. You need to develop first of all that template. Once you're done, you can directly go your drawing part. Then you can trace that quantification. Let's see another concept for quantification in this particular case study. So here, this is reading table come chairs. This one, you know, we are going to do countable items. We will count that table or any kind of furniture. So it will all comes under interior part. So interior part, most of the item in this furniture category, we will do this much number, like that only. So that same kind of scenario. Here we took some reading table come chairs in this particular case study. So this one, you know, numbers are each we can do for unit of measurement. So in this scenario, if you have large scale of drawing, you have so many kind of different chairs or table or any kind of furniture item. So there is, you know, that counting option, you know, it will take some time for in our traditional method. So here in on-screen technology, so we have some such feature auto count option. This one only. So let's take this all, you know, in 2D plan. Hope you visible. This one all reading table come chairs. Let's take this kind of chair first of all. So now I am having G plus 3. I already told na G plus 3. So I am having 4 plan. So each and every floor there is a reading table come chair. Let's try with this auto count option. Please select that auto count option. And there is a pick sample. Yes. Just you can trace the object. You will get here and do next. You can adjust your boundary in your project drawing using like this. Give next. Here you can check either it brings all your what you selected. If it is not similar, you can unselect. So here I got all or same only. So I can able to give select all. Then I'm going to click this pick option. Now you can see I got 47 number. You can zoom out. From this all floor, you can rename it that one. Now we counted reading table, some chairs. So it's a furniture item. So that's why we took by numbers concept. Give okay. So like this, you can do your n number of concept like a area or volume or length, count, whatever. So once you've done your configuration, next you are going to do that bill of quantity. As a that one is the estimating part. So here I already said some inbuilt natural estimation layout. Here you can see there is an option estimating layout. See, already we done that quantification part. That one already comes under this estimation layout. Here you can rename it that particular section name. If it is terrace floor or third floor, you can rename it. Blah 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 blah. You can customize your tabular column while clicking this option. Right click option. You can customize what are the things you need. Yes, all people know that BOQ need proper description column, quantity, units, and rate part. Okay, once you coming to that cost part, you can enter your market price rate, your budgetary rate. So I already said some costing part in this previous slide. Let's take some rate for this, what we done today, like fiber glazed canopy and AAC block masonry. That cost we will do now. So this one is our approximate cost for what we done today. So fiber glazed canopies per square meter 4,575. Like this, I list out some of the approximate rate. So this one I am going to use in my estimation layout sheet. I can able to enter manually 4,575. So that time you have to go that template part. So double click in this advanced part. There is a properties layout. Here cost reach. I can type our cost. It's the final result. You got that particular unit rate. Then you will get your value of the particular quantified items. So AAC block, if I want to give rate means just put double click and go to advanced option. There is a properties box. There is cost each option. So here you can give per cubic meter cost roughly 6,500 rupees. Sorry, 6,500. And give OK. So let's see that value of the particular quantified item like this. Like this, you will get your estimated value. So this much, once you've done your quantification as well as your estimation part, you can develop your report. So for that scenario, there is a report option is there. You can see. So these are the available template in PlanSwift. You can go with any kind of option as per your organization need, or you can make customization also. Not only you have to do that what we have that available template. Here also, by report also, we can develop our customized template format. So if some company will need some proper breakup, so that kind of that exercise, yes, we can do here. So we have to give some input for this creation of in this report template or that configuration template also. So this kind of report you can generate, you can make to convert that format to the Excel or CSV as well as PDF format also. I'm going to move my presentation screen. So some of the highlight I need to share with you about this PlanSwift. There is a power to scale option. Now you can scale any digital drawing easily, regardless of what the printed scale of the blueprint is. Once the page is scaled, you can click any 2 points on the drawings to calculate measurements, or providing for more accuracy than a scaling ruler. Some of the PDF format or JPEG or PNG format, sometimes you may not get proper scale part. So for that scenario, you can utilize this scale option. So here, that is the option. Here we can customize our drawing sheet, either in drawing paper or drawing format or PDF. There is a comparative overlays, either your R0 drawing and R1 drawing. So you can compare the takeoff or estimates from different estimators to ensure accuracy. Also create as many overlay as needed with PlanSwift. So easily identify error, difference or changes. Quickly double check your work. Easy find what changes on planned revisions. Compare new and old revisions of the same drawing. In the tender stage, we will get some of the tender drawing. When you are going to execute that particular project, you may get that GFC or VFC drawing, good for construction drawing or valid for construction drawing. So that kind of scenario, already you created some quantification, but suddenly you may get some revised things. Yes, this, comparative overlay option, you can identify whether that changes happens easily. Here, that in the settings option, you can customize your keyboard shortcut key. So normally we have standard in any tool, we have standard shortcut key for some task. So if it is in the Excel, control C means control copy only. Here, not like that. You can customize your shortcut keys for as per your need. So that kind of features available in this PlanSwift software. In this PlanSwift, if you go into that website itself, you may get lot of plugin in any kind of industry, like oil and gas industry or MEP or civil construction, whatever. So there is so many plugins available. From that plugins, you can able to do that more accuracy level for your project quantification, as well as the time savings majorly. So majorly the time savings purpose only, that people are going to use this kind of plugin options. Either if you are in very big tunnel work, you can use this, earthwork plugin. So there is a earthwork Pro V3 option. So that kind of plugin, I already told there is a pre-functioned template. From this template, you can do your quantification part with this your time limit. Once you reduce your time, yes, if you are in EPC sector, you can able to produce your n number of project. So nowadays, all quantities are facing that time problem only. So while this time, you can utilize this plugin option either. Otherwise, you can do what are the things as per customization template. Okay, from that also you can do your configuration part. So this is all as per user choice only. There is a multiple data storage location. Here you can save your project documents in local drive or server or cloud. So there is an option. In this, you can communicate your team members once you've done your whatever quantification or your cost part. So you can export that file. You can export that project as well as that import option also. You can back up your data. To that file sharing. So once you've done your project, you can share your only one file. Don't need to share that drawings separately, then your estimation layout separately. Not like that. If it is, I already told that all task, interaction between that estimation or your quantification part, all in one this particular project transcript file. One of the fine features, when we are using that Excel format, if you have that tender BOQ in your Excel, from this format, you don't need to do again that BOQ, that estimation part layout. You don't need to do again in this particular PlanSwift. Inside of this PlanSwift, if you have a lot of items, so you need only quantity. So that quantity part, once you done in this PlanSwift, you can transfer that data or you can directly link to your available existing Excel sheet. Finally, you have to do only quantification part. That quantity cell, you can transfer the data to this particular Excel sheet. There is a, that easily you can transmit your data. Excel to PlanSwift or PlanSwift to Excel. That transferring data, all this in cell wise, segment wise, you can connect your data to Excel as well as Excel to PlanSwift. So hope why PlanSwift and Excel and why not AutoCAD and Excel? That is the difference. So other features. So you can, some of the sometime we will get some query for this particular quantification part. We will get some queries. In people, they will write a request for information something to your PMC. So that kind of scenario, you have to make some notes or comment on this particular quantification part into the area, to the drawing area. In this, you can mention that, cloud-based comments, you can make that rubber stamps, approved or GFC construction, like that. You can make any kind of things. Also, there is a dimensional checking with the different colors. You can customize that color as you want. Other features, revision cloud marking also, sticky tapes, and review on revision notes. You can jump to the another quantification part. If when you are seeing in area part, suddenly if you want to review that quantification for area, from the estimation to you can directly jump to your drawing. IPMCS for PlanSwift. So we can implementation service, product and project, migration support, dedicated technical support, dedicated functional or project support, hands-on training on PlanSwift, administrative training on PlanSwift, stock accommodation for quantity takeoff or estimator. IPMCS services and offerings. Now we discuss about our services and offerings. IPMCS cost management services and offerings, training fundamentals of traditional estimation, training cost estimation software like PlanSwift, CostOS or AB CostX, estimation and quantity takeoff service in pre-contract stage or post-contract stage, functional support, digital estimation tool implementation in project. So template creation for such as quantity takeoff, rate master library, bill of quantities. Also with respect to these following standards, BOMI, QSMM, till IS 1200 Australian MM. As per the goal, we can develop our works. IPMCS project management services and offerings. So there, software licensing, technical support, product implementation, AMC maintenance and support, functional support project implementation, professional staff accommodation services, planner and scheduler services, project services, and training services. Project management trainings, so project management software, MSP, and Primavera P6. So project management with 4D BIM software, Power Project, advanced 60 BIM software manager in Bexel. So customized training. So here, fundamental of project management, fundamental of BIM, risk management, delay analysis, lean construction management, design management courses like AutoCAD, Revit, StatPro, SketchUp. Here, highlights and benefits. Yes, online, offline, live interaction session trained by industry expert. Opportunity to develop and meet current industry requirement. Project report creation, doubt clarification session and assessment, course completion and intensive reference letter. Also job preference or career guidance. Our sample training certificate for the training program, you will get at end of the course. So the partial list of our clients. Industry that we are focusing in engineering and construction, cement plants, roads and highway, power, technical institution, manufacturing, public sector, oil and gas, railways, infrastructure, telecom, defense and research. This program, we only focus on PlanSwift, its features and benefits. The part of, we had already done a number of webinar programs under various titles such as project management with 4D BIM, cost management, risk management. Which are eye-opening session do you get the updated about the current trending technologies in this industry? You can find all existing session recordings in our YouTube page. Please subscribe and follow to know more. For service and training inquiry, kindly visit our website. So now this session is open for Q&A. Audience are requested to drop your queries in this chat box to address. So here I would like to